Hi folks, this next video is of GA canine trainer Tara Sturry working canine Dia in a contaminated urban environment. The purpose of the training is to work the dog into not just normal human contamination, but lots of animal contamination. So the ending of the trail is going to end in the area of PetSmart, where they do all the pet walking, where the garbage cans are, where there's a lot of extra food, and running cats. Enjoy.
Brett. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, yes! Let's get Oh, God.
Okay, let's see this in slow motion. The cat's moving from left to right, and you'd almost think there's no dog reaction, but there is a little bit here. It's just a subtle change in the ear set, and they're perked up just a little bit higher. So Dia definitely sees the cat running, and Tara does a great job of recognizing that Dia has caught sight of the cat and does have an interest. She allows Dia to make the right decision in going on the trail, but when Dia doesn't, she corrects very, very quickly, and Dia comes right off.
Leave that.
Tara's command is given with such good timing that Dia comes off immediately with absolutely no hesitation. Watch this.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. What? Good girls.
Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have an interest in how we train and the things that we do, make sure you check out my new book, The Tao of Trailing. It's available at GAK9.com.